Cohen here with ITI Live Broadcasting. I'm here in Two tonight, awaiting the presence of St. Nicholas. The children of ITI have been patiently waiting for his presence. I have been out here for several hours now and have not yet spotted him. Till then, back to you, Rick.
He's here, I know. Yeah. Do you want to go up there, Kate?